What's going on, everybody? I am walking out to my home gym. It is time for an unboxing. Today, since we're all adding to our home gyms, today I have an unboxing. Literally, they just came on my porch. So, let's see what I got. First, we have a box from Rogue. Always good stuff from them. All right, just try not to cut my fingers off. I apologize if you hear some wind, but it is ridiculously windy outside here, like 25-mile-an-hour gusts. So it's actually why I'm doing this in my shed, not outside. Here we go. We got the Trigger Point Grid Foam Roller, nice and solid, and I believe it is a medium firmness. So what that means is it will have some give. I have another foam roller that's literally a straight foam, but it does compress. And for some of the things that I need it for, I need it to go with a little bit of a stronger one with a nice core. And it's not too bad to travel with if need be, because, well, you could pack like socks and underwear in there and just put it in your suitcase. I don't know. So that's what we got. We got the grid, and oh, that's right. I actually see, it's great when you order during this isolation thing, because things take a while to get here. So by the time you get them, it's kind of sometimes a surprise. So what I got here are Rogue leather grips. All right. The bar was kind of bothering my hands, and well, I just want to be delicate and all. So what these are straps for your hands. All right, you put 2 fingers through, all right, and then you wrap it. Oops, gotta get it through that little piece there. Okay, put it there, nice and tight, and now it saves your hands. See? Saves your hands while you're gripping the bar, and it gives it a little bit more of a tighter grip. All right, my hands aren't that strong, so I figured this would kind of help me. All right, let's move on. Move on. Man, the wind is insane. Okay, next box. Ugh. Well, by the weight, I can pretty much tell you what it is, but that's no fun. So, again, Rogue Sports. Got here pretty fast, actually. I think it took less than a week and a half. As you all are aware, or unless you're living under a box. Anyway, sorry, corny jokes. Anyway, things are taking a lot longer to get to houses because everybody is trying to improve their home gym. All right, this is a good one. Here we go. I didn't go for the big one because I'm trying to build my arms up and not kill myself. So what I have is an 8-pound ball. Let's see here. 8-pound ball. Pretty nice. Rogue. Has nice and grip. It's rubber. It does bounce a little bit. You can use it for wall balls or for slams or for whatever else you're going to use the ball for. I went with the 8-pound instead of the 10-pound because I don't know. I think that this is enough for right now. I don't need to kill myself, but this will get the job done. All right, so that's what I got. Rogue 8-pound ball, foam roller, and leather strap grips. Grip straps. All right, see ya.